Mm.
It's so weird, but I'm not a big heavy drinker. As long as you keep an eye on us, I don't see my friend.
This is all the hotel grounds. Simply gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Kaanipali Beach Hotel is the best. This is where I was yesterday, all day on the beach. Well, half a day. That was the one where I was. See, there's not a walk through. But many people do. That's where I was, right there. Hibiscus. I like saying the word hibiscus. It reminds me of biscuits. Different hotel. Bigger. Splashier. But not as Hawaiian. Different grounds. Same beach. Different guests. The spa at the Whaler. Ooh.
Oh, you know what? We looked at this place, Moffat.
I just heard some man call his wife Muffin.
Is it like some people?
I don't think anybody has ever called me Muffin. I eat muffins. Got some lingering clouds here. Lots of humidity today. Oh, look at those clouds. This is just a little over 4 minutes of walking here. Little ones. This walk goes for a long distance. Look at this ground cover. Can you see the purple flowers? They almost look like petunias, but they're not. Here's something pretty. I don't know what they are, but they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And there's that variegated hedge. Just the grounds. Just fabulous. The hula grill. Ooh. I won't go there. I've yet to feel uninhibited with my money. This is a mall, a really nice mall. Lots of pricey things in it, however. I remember being here one other time besides yesterday. Oh, aren't those awesome? I want one so bad. I don't want it to get crushed in my luggage though. Here's the mall. So I'm going to venture a little bit further than I did yesterday. But I can't go too far because... Ooh, that's a nice walkway to the ocean. I can't go too much further because I have to get back to my room so I can shower and get all spoofed up so that I can go into Lahaina and board a ship for a sunset dinner. That will last about 2 hours. It's going to feel weird being probably the only single person in a party. I'll just let all the people wonder, what's up with her? Ooh, now that's an anchor. Holy cow. The Westin Hotel. They're all together along here. Ooh, look at the waterfall. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. Eight minutes and 20 seconds now into this. Looks like it's a different type of grass at the Westin. It isn't the thick bladed grass. Look at the lawn, kind of looks like the hills of Maui. All terraced and grooved. Pretty. See, it's just along the beach. Oh, ladies are getting the sand off of them. Jewelry. Oh. And a pool. Man, that is one funky looking turtle.
Buy their other one, and I just wondered.
I hope I'm not boring anyone. I just don't feel quite so by myself doing this. Now that's a frog. That's a big frog. Look at this tree. Whoa. That's amazing. Girl alert. Look at this guy. I don't know if I've ever walked down this far in the 2 other times that I've been here. Been to Hawaii 4 times. I've been to Kaanipali Beach 3 times. My first time was in Oahu. I'm glad I discovered Maui. Froggies again. Another very small anchor knot. Phew, can smell that designated smoking area. The stench comes out of it really fast. Probably because it's so warm here. It's humid, it's warm, but for some reason it doesn't bother me as much here. I just hope everyone has an opportunity to do this sometime. Not by themselves though, because it's weird. It's just weird. Lots of places to help folks with questions, and look at that gorgeous, just the gorgeous architecture and the flora, the flowers on the bushes. Oh, gorgeous. And everything green thrives. Vegetation is just so happy here. So are the birds. I'll walk a little further. Jogger alert. Woodpeckers? No, that's just how they are. Have to be careful. Sometimes people don't watch where they're going because they're too busy looking out at the ocean. Kind of like me. Look at that. It's so pretty. So I've walked a long distance. Look at this landscaping. Oh, and they've got all kinds of gorgeous flowers, blooming flowers coming out of their lanais. How gorgeous. I'm not looking at the people that I pass. I'm trying to pretend I'm talking to someone. Well, I have proved something to me. I can chew gum and walk, because that's what I'm doing right now. This is a cool looking place. It's pink. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see a little tiny baby gecko. You probably can't see him down there. Just a teeny little thing, but look at this piece of paradise here. Look at that. Maui Ocean Club. Well, see, I can't go in there. The perfect waves, perfect ocean. It just makes me smile. Absolutely lovely. Well, I'm going to turn around now. Thank you for joining me. This is lasting 17 minutes. So now you have seen what the walk down the boardwalk or sidewalk is.